Hi there. In this video, we'll be discussing how you can use ChatGPT to make money online. ChatGPT is a powerful language processing tool that allows you to generate human-like text based on a given prompt. Whether you're a content creator, a freelancer, or an entrepreneur, ChatGPT can be a valuable asset to help you generate ideas, create content, and save time. Step 1. Understand what ChatGPT is and how it works. ChatGPT is a variant of the GPT-3 language model, developed by OpenAI. It uses machine learning algorithms to analyze a large dataset of text and learn how to generate new text that is similar in style and content. To use ChatGPT, you'll need to provide a prompt, which is a short piece of text that describes the topic or idea you want to generate text for. ChatGPT will then generate a response based on the prompt and the information it has learned from the dataset. Step 2. Find a use case for ChatGPT that aligns with your skills and interests. There are many different ways you can use ChatGPT to make money, depending on your skills and interests. For example, if you're a writer or a content creator, you can use ChatGPT to generate ideas for articles, blog posts, or social media content. If you're a freelancer or a consultant, you can use ChatGPT to help you create proposals, reports, or presentations. If you're an entrepreneur, you can use ChatGPT to generate product descriptions, marketing materials, or even entire business plans. Step 3. Learn how to use ChatGPT effectively. To get the most out of ChatGPT, it's important to understand how it works and how to use it effectively. Here are a few tips to help you get started. Start with a clear and concise prompt. The more specific and focused your prompt is, the better the results will be. Experiment with different prompts and see what works best for your needs. Use the generated text as a starting point, rather than relying on it completely. ChatGPT is a tool to help you generate ideas and save time, not a replacement for your own creativity and expertise. Use the generated text as inspiration, rather than copying it verbatim. Plagiarism is never acceptable, and ChatGPT is not intended to be used for this purpose. Step 4. Find paying opportunities for your ChatGPT-generated content. Now that you've learned how to use ChatGPT effectively, it's time to start monetizing your content. Here are a few ideas to get you started. If you're a writer or a content creator, you can pitch your ChatGPT-generated ideas to publications or websites that pay for content. If you're a freelancer or a consultant, you can offer your ChatGPT-generated materials as part of your services. If you're an entrepreneur, you can use your ChatGPT-generated content to market and sell your products or services.